Hi everyone. So I've done the answers for the questions from day 5. So you had a set of questions to answer on the model text that I've written. So you had some inference questions, some vocabulary questions, and of course some retrieval questions. So I've emailed you in your resource pack the answers as well. So if it's easier for you, you can use the PDF and go through and mark your answers, or you can pause the video on the right screen and go through and mark your answers. So I'm just going to have a look through the first slide with you so I can explain what I've done. So you can see lots of different colours here. So for the retrieval questions, I've written the answers in red. And if you look at the section of the text up here where it says Dwayne's eyes darted from the angry looking water to the enormous tree leaves, I've highlighted that in red as well, so you can see exactly where I got my answer from, which part of the text. Because if you got a different answer, then you'll be able to look back in the text and see where the right answer was. So that might help you a little bit. So I've done the retrieval ones in red, the vocabulary ones in blue, and the inference ones in purple. Okay, so then if we look at question 3, what does the word dawdling tell us about the way Dwayne is walking? So really I need to know what the word dawdling means there. So using my knowledge of that word, but in blue, I've highlighted at the top, come on Dwayne, stop dawdling, will you? Eliza shouted behind her as she marched along the bank of the Amazon River. But I know, even if I'm not sure of what the word dawdling means, he's being shouted at and she is walking up ahead of him. So that tells me that he's walking quite slowly behind her, that he's really taking his time. Okay, so my answer, I've said, it tells us he's walking slowly behind his friend. I think he's walking this way because he's unsure about where they are going and he's feeling very nervous. A little bit of inference in there too. Okay, and then you can see the purple one, my inference. How are Eliza and Dwayne's emotions different in the first paragraph? Use evidence from the text to support your answer. So this is where you need to put something from the text to justify your opinion, to justify what you said. Okay, so I'm going to hide myself now, and then I'll keep each screen up for 20 seconds so that you can just pause on the right screen and mark your own answers. Okay, really important to think about the things that you got wrong as well as the things you got right, and look back at the text and consider why you got them wrong. And if there is anything that you got wrong and you're not sure why and you want a bit of an explanation or help, please just email me or your teacher, your class teacher, and I'm sure we'll be more than happy to have a little look with you. Okay, right, I'm going to hide myself now, so good luck.